Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share two cozy fall home decor items that I made, and I'm referring to them as cozy because I used Sherpa fabric on these, and I just feel like Sherpa fabric is like super warm and cozy and like fall-esque. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so for the first DIY, I'm going to be making a cozy fall wall sign. First, you're going to want to grab a canvas, any size that you want. I'm using a 12 by 16 canvas, and then of course you're going to want to get your Sherpa fabric, any color that you like. And then I'm also going to be using these wooden letters, and I got these on Amazon, and they're 2 inches in height. Okay, so I'm going to start out by laying my Sherpa fabric on top of my canvas, and then I'm going to hot glue it into place. So now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to cut off a lot of like the excess fabric. And now I'm going to hot glue down the remaining fabric to the back. Next, I'm going to lay out the letters that I want to use for my sign, and I want my sign to say Crisp, Cozy Autumn Days. And since I have my letters out, I'm going to paint them an olive green color. Now that the letters are dry, I'm going to place them back on the canvas. To place my letters, I went down 2 inches from the top, which is the height of that white piece of paper that you guys see, and then I put down the word crisp, how I want it to look like, and then now I'm just going to hot glue those letters down. And then for the second word, cozy, I went down 1 inch and then I just hot glued those down. For autumn, I went down another inch and glued it down. And then for days, I went down again another inch, and then on the bottom I had 2 inches remaining. So this worked out really well, like spacing wise for me. Okay guys, so for the second DIY, we're going to be making a cozy fall wreath. So for this project, you're going to want to grab a metal wreath ring, and I got this from Joann's. You're also going to want to grab some Sherpa pumpkins, which I also got from Joann's, and these are going to be the stars of our wreath. And then I also grabbed some fall leaves, which I also got from Joann's, and these ones came in like a garland form. The first thing I did was cut out a big chunk of the garland, and I made sure to cut it to the length that I wanted the leaves to be on my wreath. So something like this. To attach my leaves, I'm going to be using these little zip ties that I got from Dollar Tree. and then I'm going to trim them down. Next, I'm going to hot glue down my leaves how I want them to look, just so that they stay in place. Take a look at your wreath and see if you have any like baldish spots, and if you do, just add some extra leaves. I only added 2 more to mine. Grabbing my Sherpa pumpkins, I'm going to hot glue them on the center of my wreath. I'm going to use these leaves that I got from Dollar Tree just to give this garland some more texture. Next, I'm going to add in some sunflowers, or just, like fall flowers to this wreath. And I got these at either like Dollar Tree or Michael's last year. So just like use stuff that you already have. You don't always have to go out and buy like new stuff. You can definitely upcycle old home decor items. Like the small white pumpkins I've had for like 3 or 4 years now. Yeah, just add anything that you want to use on your wreath. There's really no way to go wrong with this. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!